Wow, did you experience that? The cryptocurrency market suddenly plummeted, perplexing everyone. Is Shiba Inu about to fall apart? What are the major actors doing at the moment? Why is today so important for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole? Prepare yourself for an eye-opening voyage into the center of the crypto turmoil, covering everything from the destiny of Shiba Inu to the actions of the major actors and the relevance of today's events. Let's get right to the topic without further ado. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. As a result of a huge collapse that sent shockwaves across the sector, the cryptocurrency market is now in disarray. Investors are in disarray as they try to understand the ramifications of this unexpected decline. Notably, in only the last day, the value of the global cryptocurrency market fell by an astounding 6%, indicating general instability. Shiba Inu, a well-known meme cryptocurrency, has not escaped this market-wide slump unharmed. Its price has dropped significantly over the last 48 hours by more than 14%, which has increased investor anxiety. There are ramifications from this decline in Shiba Inu's value, especially for wallet addresses that hold this currency in terms of profitability. The wallet address profitability has been greatly impacted by the decline in Shiba Inu's price, and many holders are now faced with the harsh reality of break-even or even loss points. This trend is supported by data from Intel Block, which shows a noticeable increase in the number of addresses holding Shiba Inu at break-even or loss points, demonstrating investor apprehension. Additional information from Intel Block indicates that there is a worrying rise in addresses at break-even, which may indicate that a significant number of investors joined the market during the most recent downturn period. The increase in addresses obtaining Shiba Inu coins during the market drop underlines how speculative investor behavior may be during periods of elevated volatility. The notable increase in addresses at market break-even or loss thresholds. This highlights the difficulties that Shiba Inu investors have. A large number of people are now battling the unpredictability of their investments. Given that a significant percentage of addresses are still at break-even or loss points, Shiba Inu's future is still unclear, which exacerbates the anxiety prevailing in the cryptocurrency market. However, what specifically recently occurred to cause the severe market meltdown of today? You may find it surprising, but the reason for this is the startling 80% decline in inflows to the Bitcoin ETF in only one day. This startling figure is a sobering reminder that significant inflows into the Bitcoin ETF were essential in driving cryptocurrency values to unprecedented levels, with Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs almost daily. What is happening in the cryptocurrency space, and what is this wild ride that lays ahead? Are we seeing the end of an era, or are we still in for some upheavals? The answers to these important questions could possibly change the course of the Bitcoin sector as a whole. Thus, outside influences, like the abrupt decline in Bitcoin ETF inflows, have an effect on the whole cryptocurrency market, including the price of Shiba Inu. A clear indication of declining investor confidence and a decline in money into the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem is the decline in inflows into Bitcoin ADAS. Any negative events impacting Bitcoin's investment instruments have the potential to ripple down and affect the values of Shiba Inu and other altcoins, because Bitcoin continues to be a major driver of market sentiment and price swings. Now, let's analyze the fascinating information about Bitcoin's all-time highs that was given in the Twitter tweet. Bitcoin often heralds a period of increased volatility marked by both positive and negative swings when it exceeds its prior all-time highs. The psychological impact of breaching past price boundaries, which led to a flurry of speculation and trading activity, is what causes this volatility. But when this volatility passes, there's a period of price discovery. Price discovery is the process by which market players reevaluate an asset's real worth in the absence of previous price ceiling constraints. Prices may fluctuate during this period as market forces work to create equilibrium based on fundamentals and investor mood. New pricing trends and sustainable price levels are often established as a result of this process. Beyond only its own price trajectory, the importance of Bitcoin's all-time highs affects the whole cryptocurrency market, which includes Shiba Inu. As Bitcoin reaches new heights, it establishes a standard for investor behavior and market emotion, which affects players' confidence levels across the cryptocurrency space. As a result, changes in the price of Bitcoin might act as leading indicators, influencing the price and market dynamics of altcoins such as Shiba Inu. Long-term highs and Shiba Inu's price swings are important information for investors trying to successfully negotiate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. Not to mention that, even though March is just halfway through, the monthly volume for the 10 Bitcoin ETFs has already surpassed February and January's totals, coming in at $65 billion. We can so plainly see that interest in the Bitcoin ETF is increasing. Returning to the Shiba Inu and its stats, we find the following to be fascinating. Investors in Shiba Inu exhibit a noteworthy trend in spite of the recent decline in price. Their unwavering confidence about future price rises is the reason they are opting to hang onto their assets. The unwillingness of many holders to sell their holdings, especially in the face of market volatility, is proof of their steadfast faith in the long-term potential of Shiba Inu. For example, even if Shiba Inu reached the cycle top on March 5, the majority of these addresses decided not to sell off their holdings even though they were making money on them. This hold culture sprang from the belief that Shiba Inus could achieve greater heights. Some of these addresses have now fallen to losses, with the majority being at break-even as a result of the most recent price slump. Consequently, the number of residences at risk has surged to 270,000, signifying 20% of all Shiba Inu owners. As of March 6th, this rate was 12%. Furthermore, earnings on up to 66% of wallets, or more than 800,000 addresses, are presently lower than 84% on March 6. So, where will the cryptocurrency industry go from here? It's a very valid question. As we go further into the specifics of the cryptocurrency market's future, a fascinating study from a Twitter user that sheds insight on possible price swings surfaces. According to this estimate, Bitcoin's price is expected to rise significantly, reaching an astounding $90,000 figure. That is a roughly 30% rise above the current price. If this increase materializes, it may have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market as a whole. It's interesting to note that this prediction calls into question if the price fluctuations of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin are related. Shiba Inu exhibits the exact opposite behavior as Bitcoin, which has confident but slower price increases. Just when people start to lose confidence in Shiba Inu, the price chooses to abruptly and dramatically increase. However, if the price of Bitcoin is not increasing at all, these Shiba Inu price surges will not occur. A Twitter user who added context to this research said that the $90,000 aim represents a milestone in the current run of the market rather than a sign that the bull market is coming to an end. This disparity suggests that the potential development of the cryptocurrency industry might significantly surpass the 30% increase anticipated for Bitcoin, indicating a more extensive rise in the near future. Investor optimism is heightened by these revelations, which increase trust in the robustness and long-term sustainability of the Bitcoin market. Thus, it may be one of the causes of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency owners' propensity to cling onto their holdings rather than sell them. Of course, even while these observations provide insightful viewpoints on the possible direction of the cryptocurrency market, it's important to keep in mind that time will ultimately reveal the whole story. Thus, it is imperative that investors go forward cautiously, well-informed, and mindful. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.